Hey, welcome back din ng Mini Mage PH. Today, just wanna talk to you about yung mga cards na nakuha ko, which is, ako personally nagulat din nung nakuha ko yung mga cards. So, kung familiar kayo dito, let me know sa comment below. So first, shoutout pala sa mga subscribers natin, sa 4 subscribers natin, and if we've reached 10 subscribers, mamimigay ako ng cards. Okay? So personally, mas marami akong cards sa Magic the Gathering. Ito, dun sa harap nyo, first Pokemon cards ko to. So eto yung mga Pokemon cards na nakuha ko dun sa bulk na binili ko last time ng Magic the Gathering. So, let me know kung familiar kayo dun sa mga cards na to. But, why do I have to show this? Kasi personally, I'm a big fan ng Magic the Gathering. I've been playing Magic the Gathering for a while, and eventually marami akong nakilalang mga kaibigan, play group at the same time dahil sa Magic the Gathering. I'm very, very thankful sa Magic the Gathering. And now na, I've been buying bulk cards, may nakita akong mga cards na katulad nito, like yung these Pokemon cards. And personally, sabi ko nga nung bata ako, batang 90s tayo, shoutout sa mga batang 90s dyan, na naglalaro din ng mga Pokemon, like yung kaibigan ko before noon, tsaka yung dalawang kapitbahay namin, naglalaro ng Pokemon. Tapos usong-uso yung, alam mo yun, yung Game Boy. Game Boy ba yun? I think, na may Pokemon na bala. Ito yung nilalaro nila. So medyo familiar ako dun sa concept ng Pokemon, and at the same time yung TCG nito. And Pokemon, it's been here for a while, and I just wanna try it out. Wala akong Pokemon cards. Ito yung unang set ko ng Pokemon cards, and I don't know kung meron man naglalaro sa inyo ngayon sa subscribers natin o yung mga nanonood ngayon na naglalaro ng Pokemon. Tell me, is it worth it maglaro ng Pokemon? Why should I start playing Pokemon? I have my own reasons, but just let me know kung ano sa tingin nyo. Do I have to buy and play Pokemon at the same time? Gaano ka-expensive yung hobby ng Pokemon? Magkano yung magagastos ko kung mag-i-start ako as a budget deck lang? So, I'm not familiar. Let me know yung mga nanonood ngayon ng channel ko, tong video na to. I would appreciate if you can provide me feedback, suggestion, and again, I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to expand. I wanna scale din since I've been playing Magic the Gathering for quite some time now. I think 25 or 25 years na ako naglalaro. So, yun lang. Please, let me know. Comment below. Share your feedback, suggestion. And yun lang for today. And please don't forget to subscribe. Be someone by helping someone. Thank you and have a good day. Ingat.